Hey, good morning, guys. So I'm gonna start trying to make more probably like daily or at least weekly updates on the boat. This morning I was able to go out for a few minutes and install the gloss black acrylic panel, which I still have the cover on, obviously. And I also installed just put on the steering wheel for now and place the Suzuki flyball wire controls just to be able to see what it looks like. So, yep. So here's just a little bit of footage. All right. Hope you guys enjoy.